Once you have completed all the development of your course content and you feel you're ready to launch your course, you need to make sure that the course is already visible. So remember that you need to, or maybe during the time you took in preparing your course content, the course content was not visible. So you need to make sure that it is now visible, so you can verify that this course visibility in catalog is set to both, so that the course is now going to be visible for everybody. And you now also need to make sure that you don't have the setting called invitation only. In this case, this course is invitation only, which means that nobody will be able to enroll in it unless I invite them. So you want to have this changed to false. And you also want to make sure that the schedule and details of your course, the dates, the specific dates of your course are right. So the course's start date is some place where the course will actually start. You can actually launch your course a few weeks or even months before, because you can open the enrollments for your course before. So you have to control the course start date and the course end date. Well, actually this one you can leave it empty if you want. And the course's enrollment start date and end date if you want to control when the learners are going to be able to actually enroll in your course. So just make sure that these configurations, at least the configurations for the enrollment start and end date, include the present date, so that students can actually enroll from today. That's basically what means launching the course. It's already available for people to start using. Or maybe the course start date as well. So you just have to make sure that these dates are set correctly, and then you should be able to save your changes. Right, so after doing that, make sure that your course is already visible in the LMS side, but beware that you may be currently logged in with your admin user, and the admin user will behave differently. You will be able to see the course because this user is an admin of the course. So it would be best if you try it with a different user, or maybe in a different session, maybe in an incognito window, where you can actually confirm that without being an admin user, without being logged in, I can actually find the course here in my dashboard, in my course catalog page, and that I am able to enroll. I see this enrollment button, which takes me to the registration process or the sign-in process. So as long as I have that in place, my course will be ready, available for customers to use. The final part of it would be to start promoting it. So I can use any means at my disposal to promote this course. I can send mass emails, or I can promote the course about page, which would be this page over here. I have the full URL of the course about page here, and it is also available in the studio side in the schedule and details page. So this is the page I would need to promote.